In other news, President Trump announced the framework for a trade deal with Britain yesterday, his first agreement since imposing tariffs on U.S. trading partners last month. Nancy Cordes reports on that announcement.
The U.K. deal was a big one. They've been trying to make that deal for 25 years.
The agreement between the U.S. and its ninth largest trading partner would expand the British market for U.S. beef and ethanol. It would leave in place the 10% tariff Trump imposed on British exports last month, but it would lower the new 25% tariffs on British cars to 10%.
This is just the start.
U.K. Prime Minister Keir Starmer.
Is it better than, say, 6 months ago, given, for instance, some tariffs are still there?
Well, Chris, the question you should be asking is it better than where we were yesterday?
This is just an initial deal with the details to be worked out in the weeks to come. And it's the president's trade war with China, not the U.K., that has dramatically slashed cargo traffic to the U.S.
Now thousands of dock workers and truck drivers are worried about their jobs.
Trump told CBS's Weijia Jiang that's a good thing.
That means we lose less money. When I see that, that means we lose less money.
Jason Levitt says he's on the verge of losing a lot of money. His Virginia company builds lithium batteries for race cars, and the main component is only made in China.
Personally, it's been terrifying because if the boat doesn't get here quickly enough and we don't fall under a certain date, I may wind up paying 100% or 145% more than what I paid for the product to begin with. We can't possibly absorb 145% tax on our raw materials.
Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent is finally set to sit down with Chinese officials in Switzerland this weekend as they try to find a way to ratchet down the unprecedented tariffs the two countries have imposed on each other. Nate?
Nancy, thank you.